I have here a fold up bed. I'm going to fully open this up so we can look at all the pieces and show you how it goes together. So the first thing I'm going to do is take these two pieces here, the four wheels, going to put them in and then use the hardware to secure them in place. Now I got the four wheels attached. I'm going to attach the two crossbars here. They attach like this, one on this one and one on this one like that, and then the other crossbar goes at that other side. So now I got this piece attached. I'm going to get this piece ready, and then I've got four screws, some small ones here. They're going to go through these flanges and into the holes on the bottom of this piece. So now I'm going to slip this piece in. You have to line up the hole on both sides and then let it go down as far as you can. Once you get it all the way in place, there's a screw that you're going to slip into place right there to lock it into place. When you go to open this up, make sure as you pull this leg out, you take and you slip that latch on both sides so that you don't have any pieces get bent when it actually folds down. So now I got the bed itself fully assembled. I'm going to open up the mattress so that it can lay down. So I got the mattress opened. It's now going to take a little bit of time for it to just re-inflate because it was vacuum sealed, but it shouldn't take long and we'll be ready to use it. So I got it fully assembled. This frame is super sturdy and stable. It's not going to shake on you when you're sleeping. It's not going to move around, so it's going to be perfect for sleeping on. You can see it's nice and sturdy and not moving around. So here you can see the mattress is nice and thick, so it's going to be extra comfortable. So laying on it, it feels sturdy, it's not moving around on me, and the mattress is nice and comfortable, so it's going to be great for sleeping. So when you're done with the mattress, you can just grab it, lift up both sides, just like this. Make sure you don't lift on this strap, it's just for holding it. Then you're going to take it, flip it all the way to the other side, so it's latched like this. Then you can fold these legs down and put the cover on. So it does come with a dust cover that you're going to want to put on when it's folded up so that it stays nice and clean and doesn't get all dusty. So all four wheels do lock. When it's time to move it and you unlock them, it's going to be super easy to roll it around and move it from place to place and find a nice small spot to store it in. So when you've got it all folded up, it does not take up very much space. You can find a nice little corner in your house to stick it so it doesn't take up any extra space when you've got it stored. So this fold-up bed is super nice. It's super easy to assemble. It's comfortable to lay on. It doesn't take up hardly any space at all when you've got it stored away. It's going to be perfect for anybody that wants to have a nice, easy to move extra bed.